A very good morning to all. Today in this video we are going to discuss all about conductor and insulators. So what are conductors? So before starting this, let us have the definition of conductor. So basically conductors are those substances which allows electricity to pass to flow through it. That means these are the substances that allows the passage of electrons through it. What do you mean by conduct? So, conductor is the term which is derived from the word conduct, which means transfer of something. So, here in conductors, we deal basically with the transfer of the charges. So, the material that transfer something through themselves are said to conduct. Now, if I talk about electrical conductors, that means these are the materials through them the electricity easily passes. That means materials that allows the electric current to flow through them are called electrical conductors. If I say we have a cell of 1.5 volt and we have a bulb, and if we connect it with a conducting material, let us say wire or a copper wire, then when the time we will attach the wire with the two terminals of the cell, the current will start flowing and we will see that the bulb will start glowing. That means through the copper wire the current can easily flow. Thus we can say that copper wire is a conductor. Now if we repeat the same activity with the help of thread, we will see that on connecting thread to the terminal of a cell, the bulb doesn't glow. That means electric current cannot flow through thread and hence it fails in glowing the bulb. So the material that conduct electricity are copper wire, silver, gold, aluminium, iron, mercury and many more. We can say that mainly the metals conduct electricity. Now we can say that human body is also a very good conductor of electricity. Therefore, we get shock if we touch the electrical appliances with a wet hand. Now, materials that do not conduct electricity are called insulators. They are plastic, rubber, cotton, wood. These are some of the examples of insulator. So basically insulators are the substances which do not allow electricity to pass through it. That means they do not allow the easy flow of the electrons or the charges through them. If we repeat the experiment of connecting the copper wire, and let us break the wire from the mid and attach the terminal broken ends of the wire with the help of a plastic straw. Here, let us consider a plastic straw and we are attaching the wire with a plastic straw. We will see that the electricity fails to pass and hence we can say that the bulb doesn't glow. Instead of plastic, if we connect the broken part with the nail, then we can say that bulb glows. This is because that iron is also a conductor of electricity. Now, let us talk about conductivity in liquid. We have seen that when we touch anything with wet hand, we get shock. That means when our hand is wet or when we touch water and then we touch any electrical appliances, we get shock. That indicates that water or a liquid also conducts electricity. So this is the experiment that we can have. Let us take a beaker filled with water. Let us put the two terminal of the wire, connect one terminal with the cell and then connect it to a tester or a bulb. We will see that the tester or a bulb starts glowing. That means the liquid that we have taken in a beaker conducts electricity. If we repeat the same experiment with lemon juice, we will see that lemon juice or a vinegar also conducts electricity. Therefore, we can say that liquid or vinegar or a lemon juice is also a conductor of electricity. Therefore, we can say that the liquid that are the solution are basically a good conductor of electricity. Thus, liquid that allows electricity to pass or to flow are called good conductor of electricity or the electrolyte. Now, since we have seen that liquid conduct electricity, therefore, does water conduct electricity? Yes, the water which have impurities or which is dirty or which is impure basically conducts electricity. But distilled water do not contain any minerals or salt or any impurities, and hence they do not conduct electricity, because in distilled water, since there is no mineral, salt or impurities, they do not break into ions. Therefore, they do not conduct electricity. Therefore, liquids that do not allow electricity to pass are called bad conductor of electricity. Hope this has cleared your doubt of conductors and insulators. Along with this, we have the exercise PDF. Kindly note it down in your copy. Thank you for watching this video. Any doubt regarding the video is highly welcomed in a group.